Hello guys, today we're unboxing the Fun Luck 12,000 plus clay beads bracelet making kit. Comes on 24 colors, very large variety of the colors. Comes with the stretchy strings, you know, this one stretch out. It comes with the letter beads, so you can put some names on your creations. Comes with small scissors to actually cut, you know, the stretchy string once you're done, and comes with some tweezers. This kit is perfect to enjoy a family time. It makes girl bracelets or guy bracelets. It's perfect for making any fantasy jewelry. Let's make some bracelets. Thank you. It's been lots of fun with this product. Definitely a good quality. Lots of options. You just have to get creative and have lots of fun. See you on the next video.